I wanted an Ava, but these prices are insane. So I built one myself. A $10 RX-78-2. In 3 colors, that's it. At this point, it's just fun. Then you just take it all apart. This is where it either works or it doesn't. And I wasn't too sure. Remember this shield? It turned into an absolute nightmare. Sanding. Polishing. Repainting. And this green took so much care. But eventually it started to click. But that was just the start. Everything needed the same treatment. And you think you're done, and it's touch up, touch up, touch up. So at this point, I was just hoping it would all come together. I did not think this was gonna work. But yeah, it's actually sick.